let's check what is from this side. We are looking for the air filter. Here we have a air box. We're gonna check how easy it is to get access to the air box. Okay. Where it gonna go? Yes. How about the air filter? This is the big chamber for the inlet. No filter here. This is just only this filter. That much. Let's see. That here wasn't tight. Okay, I need to talk to the dealer about this solution. It's quite strange, I must say. What's the spongy it is? May I make it by myself or what? I think some pre-filter might be a good idea here in this inlet. I'm gonna put that back here. Okay, and then we